You want to start mid-wall, whether that be a makeshift gable like I have, or you want to line up a batten with a certain window or slider. I'm going to show you how to start this on the middle of the wall, and then we can break off in both directions. So what I'm going to do is rip off this batten on my very first piece. I'm going to replace that with a starter, and that will allow me to break it off in both directions. So let's go see how it's done. So I have my piece in. I have this centered on the gable line, so I'll have a batten on each end. Now I'm going to add some flashing tape behind this. Since I cut off the batten, I want to make sure that we're staying waterproof. Now that I have the flashing, I'm going to go ahead and install our starter strip. Now for this one, you don't want to go over too far because I want to keep equal spacing with the batten. So I'm just going to go over it by the hem's width. Line it up. I know this piece is level. So I line that up and go ahead and nail it in. Now we're ready to start board and batten in either direction.